We're gonna build the Christmas tree right now. Kay gusto ng kids ipa-build. It's only October 17. And I think this video guys ma-upload like Pasko na siguro. No. Ikan mi na ngamon. Ani udto. Alas 3 na. Hapon na ni udto. Kay dugay man mi ng mata. Kay wala ko'y trabaho. Then autumn fair yan. Papa is doing build ni Papa. Francis is here. He's big boy. Francis, come here, Francis. Hindi na mamansin. Here, Francis. Drink water. Naktush. Mandarin. Drink water first. Oh, sama ka. It's like her? Yeah, it's yummy.
Juice.
Water so ours. Juice. Mong kigul. Juice. So ours water.
Like that?
Yeah.
Then water?
Yeah, okay, then it's okay. Yeah.
Now juice?
I thought you're gonna drink your juice.
Look. Yeah.
You want that one?
Juice.
Yeah? Just a second. Gubot
My
kayo.
juice is done.
So,
Guys, there's somebody making give us.
what is Marinkifi auf English?
Ladybug.
Ah, richtig.
Woher, warum sind das Ladybug? Sind die nur Ladies oder was?
Akong balikbayan. Awa pa na human, guys. Tapulan, dyan ko. Majuti ko. One day lang.
Sind Jungen. Und die Roten sind Mädchen.
Mhm.
Ja, und dann die
Ich
Schwarzen.
glaube nicht, dass das so zählt.
Kung mangipanghipos last year, gitahong box. Karon di. Sayon ra kay pangitaon. Pag magdeko na. It's beginning to look like Christmas. Gubot kaya mong balay, pasensya na. Pero may good gubot. Wala dyan tayo kuan ani. Taganahan na moan. Okay, ginoo ko.
You should
Napak.
explain why we have a plastic one.
Yeah, but in Philippines, they also have plastic one.
Yeah, because there is no real Christmas tree.
Yeah, here in Germany, you can have also kuan guys. Kanang katong tinuod na tree. Why again? Because you don't want to cut the tree, right? Is it right?
Yeah, because I don't see the sense that you kill a tree for 1 month maximum of tree in the house.
Yeah. See, still nature
And
can
then
see Frank.
nature
Very green.
need that.
Yeah. Because Frank doesn't want people to cut the Christmas tree just for 1 month use. And it took so long to grow this tree. Oh, sakto ba tong English na to dito? I think so. Dahil napay plato dahil sa ila nagkuhan sa kusina.
Even if it doesn't take long still.
Yeah. Handam sa iunang kuan dishwasher. Hamal to itong kuan. Nara ba siya no, lamig ra ba kayo ni oh? Lamig ini guys. Pero busog na kayo ko. Mura siya. Unsa ni?
Karioka.
Tapioca?
Karioka.
Karioka? Unsa ni karioka?
Ja, das nennt die das.
Ami kay ni kanang pilit ba? Pilit gikuan. Ning kanon niya. Sa kapilami ni. So, this year dira na ko butang ang Christmas tree. Apat sa printer. Dito man to last year. Sa pila ka years diri. Two consecutive year. Consecutive.
Guys, Marine is faster coming now. I'm going away today.
Yeah? What is that called? They are?
Ladybug.
Nay, I mean, why is the Marine Cafe is doing that?
Because they will be cold then.
They will be cold?
Yeah, it's on 70.
Okay.
Is that richtig, Papa?
Well, most of them die anyway.
But they try. They try to survive.
They try to survive.
Yeah.
And that's why they get all together, so they're warm. That's why you see
They
long
make the sense what.
flocks of Marienkäfer on the wall once they're there.
Why they only go to our house here?
They go to everybody's house.
Because they know it's warm inside.
There's millions of that. Same as spiders. Spiders like to go also where it's warm.
I like Christmas time. No,
Except-
because it's not
Außer die Kreuzspinnen, die sind die einzigen, glaube ich, die nicht ins Haus kommen. They
Christmas
stay outside. They prefer it outside.
I like Christmas time.
Nauman namang Christmas tree. Karoon ang mutaod sa star. Punta na ako sa video. Punta na ako sa video kinsa itong nagtaod last year. Kay this year, ang isa ka kid. Where's Ate Ella? Call at
She's on mobile.
teenage thing. Call Ate Ella. Ella, come! It's a proof guys na si Francis last year. This year is Francine.
No. I need to see. You really have to. I
Push.
need to hold this down below. And you push this down, okay?
Okay. Just a second. Go there. So, you tell me 1, 2, 3.
So.
Push.
Moment. Ja, gut. Stop. So heavy this thing.
Wait, I'm gonna fix that after.
Warte mal. So, und du musst den Stern.
So,
Ja.
okay? Yeah. Just fix it pa. Yourself pa. What did... No. I think we are too long still. We need to be
Oh,
courts.
no, now it's fine.
Yeah. The stern is done.
Klatsche.
Yay! Next year is Francis' turn, okay? We have it in video. Gubot kayo mo bala.
Yeah, but still.